Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Today's topic is emotions and feelings. Stay with us for vocabulary, a fun quiz, and a short story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Part 1. New words, let's go.
1. Happy is feeling good and smiling. For example, I feel happy when I play with my friends. 2. Sad. Sad is feeling unhappy or upset. For example, she was sad because her cat was lost. 3. Angry. Angry is feeling mad when something is unfair. For example, he was angry after the game. 4. Excited. Excited is feeling very happy about something that will happen. For example, the kids were excited for their trip. 5. Tired. Tired means having little energy or needing rest. For example, I feel tired after cleaning my room. 6. Scared. Scared is feeling afraid or frightened. For example, she was scared of the dark. 7. Nervous. Nervous is feeling worried before something important. For example, he felt nervous before his interview. 8. Calm. Calm is feeling relaxed and peaceful. For example, I feel calm when I listen to music. 9. Proud. Proud is feeling happy about your work or someone you love. For example, her parents are proud of her success. 10. Bored. Bored is feeling like nothing is interesting. For example, he was bored during the long meeting. 11. Surprised. Surprised is feeling shocked in a good or bad way. For example, I was surprised to see my old friend. 12. Confused. Confused is not sure what to do or think. For example, she looked confused after reading the instructions. 13. Lonely. Lonely is feeling sad because you are alone. For example, he felt lonely when his family was away. 14. Embarrassed. Embarrassed is feeling shy or uncomfortable after a mistake. For example, I was embarrassed when I forgot my lines. 15. Relaxed. Relaxed is feeling calm and comfortable. For example, she feels relaxed on the beach. 16. Grateful. Grateful is feeling thankful for something. For example, I am grateful for my kind friends. 17. Jealous. Jealous is feeling unhappy because someone has something you want. For example, he felt jealous when his friend got a new phone. 18. Disappointed. Disappointed is feeling sad when things don't go as you hoped. For example, they were disappointed after losing the match. 19. Confident. Confident is feeling sure about yourself. For example, she spoke with a confident voice. 20. Curious. Curious is wanting to know or learn more. For example, he was curious about how the story would end.
Now it's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is proud. Correct answer is nervous. Correct answer is bored. Correct answer is embarrassed. Correct answer is scared. Correct answer is excited. Correct answer is lonely. Correct answer is disappointed. Correct answer is calm. Correct answer is proud. Correct answer is confused. Correct answer is jealous. Correct answer is grateful. Correct answer is surprised. Correct answer is tired. Correct answer is proud. Correct answer is nervous. Correct answer is disappointed. Correct answer is happy. Correct answer is curious. Great job! Now it's story time. Listen to the story and try to understand how these words are used in real life.
It was Monday morning, and I woke up feeling tired. My alarm had rung 3 times, but I still didn't want to get up. When I looked in the mirror, I thought, wow, I already look angry. I made some toast for breakfast, and of course, I burned it. Now I was not only tired, but also disappointed. Great, I said. Breakfast is ruined. Then I opened my phone and saw a funny video of a cat wearing glasses. I laughed so hard that I almost dropped my phone. Suddenly I felt happy again. The weather was sunny, so I decided to walk to work. I smiled and told myself, okay, maybe today will be better. But as soon as I got there, my boss said, Emma, meeting in 5 minutes. My smile disappeared. I felt nervous. Meetings always make my hands sweat. During the meeting, I tried to sound confident, but I accidentally called my boss Mom. Everyone laughed, and I turned bright red. I was embarrassed. After that, my friend Lucy said, "Don't worry, that was hilarious." I laughed too and started to feel relaxed again. We decided to go out for lunch together. At the cafe, I saw a man eating a giant chocolate cake. He looked so proud of it, like he just won a gold medal. I whispered to Lucy, "I want to feel that proud someday." Lucy ordered a salad, but I went for fries and a burger. When my food came, I felt excited. Food always fixes my mood. But halfway through, I dropped ketchup all over my white shirt. "Oh no!" I shouted. "Now I look like a crime scene." I felt frustrated and a little angry, but Lucy was laughing so hard that I couldn't stay mad for long. After lunch, I took a walk in the park to calm down. I sat on a bench, closed my eyes, and listened to the birds. Their songs made me feel calm and grateful. Then, a little boy walked up to me and handed me a flower. I smiled and said, "Thank you." It made me feel touched and happy again. But suddenly, it started raining. Of course, I didn't have an umbrella. I ran home, completely wet, laughing the whole way. People stared at me like I was crazy, but honestly, I felt free and a little curious about what else could go wrong that day. When I finally got home, I changed into my pajamas and made hot chocolate. My cat jumped on my lap and started purring. I looked at her and said, "You're the only one who never makes me feel lonely." I turned on my favorite movie and smiled. "Today was a total mess," I said, "but it was my kind of mess." As I turned off the lights, I felt peaceful and grateful. Life is full of emotions, and I'm happy I can feel every single one of them.
Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more fun lessons and stories. See you in the next one.